Hi everyone, I am Addie and I'm here with Sophia, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to build an atom. Here are the supplies you're going to need. I'm going to be making an oxygen atom, and in order to make an oxygen atom, we're going to have to look at the periodic table to determine what number of what supplies I use. First, we're going to take the Play-Doh and we're going to make a ball. And what does this represent? This represents the nucleus of the atom, which is essentially the brain, and it contains neutrons, which are neutral charged particles, and protons, which are positively charged particles.
I'm doing carbon, and there's 6 protons, and the atomic mass is 12, so then there'd be 6 neutrons.
Come take a look. This represents the protons, while this number represents the protons plus the neutrons. So in order to find the neutron number, you do this minus that.
Go.
My nucleus represents the oxygen atom, which have 8 neutrons because of this number minus this number, and 8 protons represented by this number.
My atom has 6 protons, represented by this number, and 6 neutrons, represented by this number minus this number.
Beautiful. Next, we're going to get to the electrons located on the shells of the atom. So each shell can hold a different amount of electrons. The first shell closest to the nucleus holds 2, while this shell, the second shell, holds 8. And in order to determine the amount of electrons, you look at the number in the top corner. It's the same as the protons.
Here is my nucleus, which has 6 protons and 6 neutrons, which we found on the periodic table. And here are my 2 shells, which have 6 electrons, which we found here on the periodic table.
Now here comes the fun part. We're going to construct the atom. So I'm going to take a lengthy amount of wire and cut.
Here you go.
Thank you for letting us teach you how to create an atom.